Hey, greetings, my friend James Jordan. If you're watching this video right now, simply because you are looking for a review on the product AiBuddy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly go through this page, break down a little bit about what this tool can do for you to help you in your business, right? And then also share a little bit about myself. And more importantly, what can help you in your internet marketing efforts, whether you're an info marketer, a coach, a consultant, maybe you're in affiliate marketing, and how this tool can help you in your business, and more importantly, what to focus on in order for you to truly go out and grow your business exponentially after watching this video. So when it comes to this particular tool, what it is, it's a ChatGPT powered app that allows you to create high quality content for example, YouTube Shorts, TikTok Reels, Instagram, Facebook Reels, and things of that nature, because you can use AI graphics, art, and images using and leveraging this tool, right? So the great part about this tool is that it has open AI, and you can ask it to generate complex questions or answers. It can allow you to and assist you in creating high in demand content like ebooks, articles, and much more. It can give you marketing ideas and things of that nature. Now, while this tool, right, can help you do all these different things, and it costs less than a pizza at Domino's, which is really awesome, a large pizza. Let me be very specific on that, right? But it's a tool, right? It's a tool. So most of the time when I'm connecting with different people, right, and they're looking at a product like this, they're usually looking for another tool to help them get to the next level. And with that being said, and let me scroll back up as I really break this down for you. If you're looking at a product like this, you have to ask yourself, well, what are you already doing in your business to allow you to be able to go out and create results, generate income, make money in your internet marketing business? So what are the keys to be able to do that? Number one, you got to have traffic. Number two, you got to get leads. And number three, right? I'm looking at the camera. Number three, you got to have a high quality offer, a high converting offer that will turn that traffic and leads into sales, right? If you don't have those things, it doesn't matter if you have a tool like this. And that's the truth of the matter, because so many different times you're searching for reviews on a place like YouTube on a product that you see, right? You got an email, or maybe something popped up in your YouTube feed, and you're just trying to figure out whether or not this is a tool for you. And whenever I talk about tools, right, whenever I do review videos like this, I always emphasize to people what you need to focus on is the cores of direct response internet marketing to be able to go out and create results. I don't care what you market or promote. I don't care what you sell. If you don't have traffic, if you don't have leads, then how are you going to be able to get it in front of an offer to see whether or not the offer converts, right? And turns those prospects into dollars. Now, if you're someone that doesn't have those things in place, right? If you're not already getting traffic, if you're not already getting quality leads, then honestly, this is a tool that you probably don't need right now. Now, you can always check out this tool. I'm going to have a link below to for you to review this same page that I'm looking at right now. But if you're someone, like I said, that's struggling in the place of getting traffic and leads, that's where you need to start. Now, what I've personally done is I've put together a free 19-page PDF called the Affiliate Starters Kit that honestly can be applied to any sort of internet marketing business. I just highlighted affiliate marketing because that's where I've made my bones in the internet marketing space, marketing, promoting, and selling other people's products and services. But I've used these same techniques to market and promote my own products and market and promote my own coaching and consulting services. So if you're someone, like I said, that's struggling right now to get traffic and leads, then you wouldn't even want to start with a tool like AiBuddy. What you want to focus on is developing those skill sets, because that's what's going to really allow you to prosper. And you can go below this video right now, click the link below to get access to the Affiliate Starters Kit and check out that 19-page free PDF, because I break down in it how I've been able to go out and start and generate traffic and leads for over a decade plus online. I share with you multiple different strategies that I've used. So I hope you like this review. Feel free to leave some comments below. And go below this video right now, click the link below to get access to that free PDF, the Affiliate Starters Kit. And I look forward to connecting with you on the next video. So until then, take care, be well, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.